Hi, this is Cody Hickman with 360 Catering again on our YouTube channel. As always, if you need some catering as far as your wedding coming up or your social event or corporate event, maybe you need to look good in front of your boss, we're the guys for you. 360 Catering and Events.com is our website. You can see this recipe along with many of our other recipes that we've done in the past. So what we're going to do is it's National Peanut Brittle Day. So we're going to do peanut brittle. So we've got our white refined sugar here, water, just distilled water, peanuts, vegetable oil, a little salt, and butter to butter rim our sheet pan for later. What we're going to start out with first is putting our medium saucepan on high. Putting the water in. The sugar. And the salt. Salt didn't want to come out. There it is. We're going to get just a little bit combined first, and we're going to leave it alone on high heat. We're going to cover it up for 3 minutes. The reason we're doing that is because we want it to thicken up. We don't want it to get thin and not be able to make that brittle part of it. So we'll be back in just a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and butter up my pan, my sheet pan, let that sit for 3 minutes. And I'm going to stir for another 10 minutes after that until I get a nice golden brown melted sugar consistency. I'll be back in just a little bit. So now we got this golden brown color. We're going to take our saucepan off the oven. Put a whisk away. Enter in our peanuts. Throw those in. We just pour it all over here. I'm going to use my spatula to get all that out. And the great thing about peanut brittle, we use a little oil right here, a little vegetable oil, to help spread my mixture. See how it's not sticking onto my spatula? Exactly what you want. It's always starting to get nice and thick. So we'll bring you back in just a minute and show you our finished product of our peanut brittle. So you don't. Okay, folks, we're back with our finished product on our peanut brittle on National Peanut Brittle Day. As always, you can get our recipes on 360 Catering and Events, and we'd love to help you out there if you have a wedding or a corporate party, Christmas party coming up. Thank you very much, and see you next time.